Sa wakas, dumating na yung aking in-order sa Amazon. So ito ay NBR. So i-open natin siya. Okay. So ito yun. So bali ito yung luma ko. So nag-upgrade lang ako kasi hindi niya binabasa yung 5M or 4K. Kaya bumili ako ng mas latest. So ayan, ito natin. So disin lang yung mouse, power, remote, remote na. Okay. So ito na yun. Pang ito na. So the same lang. See? So ang pagkaiba ng luma sa yung bago. Yan. The same brand. So ito yung pinaka latest nya. So okay ito. Ito yung maganda. Okay, masubukan natin mamaya. Okay, testing natin yan. Power on.
If I want to rotate this character Malcolm, I have to move the anchor point to where the head connects to the body, making it much easier to animate. This is an anchor point.
Ayan.
This man took his little dog to cliff jumping.
Power
He
na.
was full of energy and excitement. He ran around the edge, gathering everyone's attention, and when he got to his favorite spot, he jumped in the most beautiful way. The audience cheered for him as he swam towards his owner, just so happy to be swimming with his best friend. This man
Auto
took his little
format,
dog to
okay.
cliff jumping, who was full of energy and excitement. He ran around the edge, gathering everyone's attention, and when he got to his favorite spot, he
Ayan, sa wakas, working na po. So, balitin na po yung akin CCTV. Napakalinaw po niya. Ayan. So, ito, ang kinangganda nito. Pati sa labas, narinig natin kung yung mga, ayan, mahangi sa labas, narinig natin yung galing sa labas. Pag inom ko yung power, yung speaker. Ayan o. So, umuulan sa labas. Bali, kaya maugong. Yan ang kinaganda nito. Pati uwak naririnig natin. Yan, di ba? Okay, hanggang dito muna. Salamat sa Diyos.